What's up, guys? Michigan Air Gunner. We finally got the new pin probe. Terry sent this to us, or valve pin, and I said I would show you how to fix this. It is a super easy fix, and it really don't take a whole lot of time. But anyway, first thing you do is you let the air out right here. I've already done that. I'll just unscrew this. And there is 2 Allen screws right there, and there's 1 on the side. So we're going to go ahead and loosen those up. Hopefully we'll be back in the woods tomorrow with this beast. And then this end piece just slides right off, theoretically. So there is our barrel band. Set that off to the side. And at first glance, you'll think this is kind of the same setup as a Marauder, but it's not. There is a split, so you can unscrew the air tank. Yeah, just get some grip in there. And I forgot, we're gonna have to take the stock off, I believe. Might be able to do it without it. But that's why we got all our screws. It's not super entertaining, but I just want to show you how easy this is. There's a lot of threads. Alright, so there is that. Set that off. Then a smart guy would have took the stock off first. But what are you gonna do? It's just 1 screw. I tried to fix the original valve pin with some glue and melting it back together, but it didn't work. This is just literally finger tight. It's just what holds the spring and the valve pin. That's literally all you have to take out. So, because I thought I was going to be smart and try to fix this, which I didn't. Take this off, put our valve pin back in here. Line her back up. This just screws back on. Our tube back on. I mean, that's how involved it is. I mean, super easy. The hardest part was getting the valve pin. So we are at 5 minutes. Mostly because me talking. Apparently I had this valve pin sitting in my mailbox since Monday. I just did not check the mail. Now we just slide this back in there. Ow. I pinched my finger. Look at our barrel, make sure we're not too far to one side, because this does have a little bit of a side to side action. When you put this on here, you will be able to kind of move this back and forth, and you want to try to get that as straight as possible. I'm going to tighten up the center with the right size Allen head. Tighten this piece. Tighten this piece. You're going to put your piece back on, your male quick disconnect, or whatever you want to call it. And this does have a rubber O-ring on this washer, so just keep an eye on that when you're tightening it. Put your stock back on. That's it. We're done. All we have to do when you go to fill it, pull the hammer back, start filling it up. You'll hear that valve close, and then once you get her so far filled, you can let off. That's simple, guys. I hope this helps somebody in the future. Like I said, the hardest part is getting that valve or pin. I messaged Western Airguns. I never got a response for them. Terry did send me the valve pin, and I just didn't realize it was in my mailbox till he told me. But anyway, guys, till next time, keep shooting.